Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I am back today with another makeup look. I recently bought two of the Profusion Cosmetics eyeshadow palettes, and in the last video I created a look using the Mirage palette, and in today's video I wanted to use the other one, which is the Festival palette, and that's what I have on my eyes today. I definitely wanted to do something brown, kind of like a little bit more wearable. Now this look, you could definitely switch out the brown lip for like a nude lip. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and let's get into the makeup. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get started. So my brows are already on. Now I want to do a more like brown monochromatic look, but I want it to be a little wearable. Do you know what I mean? Of course I say that now, and you guys know I can end up going really dramatic like by the end of the video. But in my last video, I did use a new makeup palette from Profusion Cosmetics. And in that video, if you haven't seen it, I'll put the thumbnail somewhere here on the screen. But I did use the Mirage palette. And I did mention in that video that I also had the Festival palette. But I thought today would be a good day to test out like a lot of these browns. And I kind of want to do a brown lip. Have I ever done a brown lip on camera? I don't think I have. And to start off, I'm going to go into the shade Likeable in my crease area. And I don't know if you guys can even tell, but I have quite a few like little glitter bits. I don't know if you can see them like in my eye right here, like in my lash line, because in my recent video I used the Mirage palette and I used one of those chunky glitters. They're in that video, they're a little bit hard to work with, so I'm just giving you fair warning. If you go in with those more chunky glitters, just expect to have glitter on your face like for the next couple days. But this is just like a really nice wash of color. And also the brush that I'm using, it's the Jeffree Star and Morphe collab that they did, and this is the JS5 brush. And I'm going to use just that same brush and go into Campground. I don't know if I want to do like a matte eye or put a little bit of shimmer. And I am bringing it on the little bit because we're probably going to keep that kind of brown also, unless we go in with that shimmer shade. Next, I'm going to go into the shade Bossy, and I'm going in this time with a blending brush. This is the Sigma E25 blending brush, and this I'm going to pack all over the lid and slowly kind of blend it up towards our transition shades that we lay down. I love these shadows. Like, I feel like I'm really gonna use these a lot in my videos, so I apologize in advance, but like I said, I think it's a really good palette for the price point. I did mention it's $12.98 at Walmart, and you can find it at Target also and on Amazon. So I would highly recommend getting this palette. Oh man, this is what I envisioned. The lashes that I'm going to use are from the brand Sumptuous Beauty. These are no stranger to my channel. And I did have a coupon code for these. It was 10% off. If it's still active, I'll definitely put it on the screen. And these ones are in the style Milan, which I love because they're really like spacey in between, and I love that style of lash. How cute is this top too? I got it from Amazon. It's a little bit big, but I'm trying to like shrink it, but it's like a long tunic and it has like really like baggy sleeves right here, and it's kind of like off the shoulder, and I got it off Amazon. Before I go ahead and work on the base while my lashes are drying, I'm going in with my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. Even for my lower lashes, I've been liking it too because it doesn't transfer. I'm going to put a little bit more of my eye cream on. To prime, I'm going in with No Stranger, my NYX Pore Filler. Been hooked on this one, and I've just not been able to put this down. I really feel like this helps camouflage a lot of my texture, like right here, and my mammer jammer pores. Looking out my window, I cannot believe it's November and there's snow on the ground. What the heck? I'm going to go ahead and pop my lashes on before they dry and I forget about them. Ooh, sticky tweezers. Oh, love these lashes. One of my favorites, and I probably need to order more because I've used these so many times. For foundation, I'm going to do my little concoction. I am self-tanned. Like, when I do this, you can definitely tell. But I am self-tanned, and I am going to try a new concoction today. I'm going to go in with my Believe Beauty. You guys know I love this from the dollar store, Dollar General. And then I'm going to mix in a little bit of the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. Yeah, that's perfect. Perfecto, perfecto. I felt like I wanted to switch my shirt over this way. Don't ask me why. I don't know. So if you guys are new to my channel, I do like to mix concealers because your girl needs a lot of coverage under her eyes. So today I'm going to go in with my Milani Conceal and Perfect and the L'Oreal Infallible that I use to prime my eyes. So I'm going to blend this one out, and then we'll put a little bit of the L'Oreal on there. I think I'm going to hold off on the L'Oreal. I think we're going to be okay because I'm going to go ahead and set. And to set, I already have it poured out in the lid, but it is the, let's see if I can do this. It's the Milani. It's just their translucent. This is light to medium. And I'm pushing it in. Not really baking. I'm pretty much pushing that in and setting it. See the coverage I get? Oh, it's so magical. So magical. It just transforms the face, and I love it every time. So now let's go ahead and finish up the lower lash line. I am first going to go into the shade Campground and Bossy, which are the two shades that we used on our lid area. And the brush I'm going to use is the Ibby Beauty. I don't know if it's IB or Ibby. I will try to link all of my brushes down below for you guys. This is the Ibby Beauty, just the crease brush, which looks like this. And I love this for smudging the lower lash line. I'm going to bring this down a little bit. I like to drag down my shadow. Does anybody else wear contacts and the powder just flies right in your eye and you can't see anything? It's like you're like looking underwater. I hate that so bad. Just to smoke it a little bit more, I'm going to go in with a brown eyeliner. I'm going to tight line and do my waterline. This one's just from LA Girl, and this one's in the shade Brown. And I want brown because I don't want it to be like super harsh, but I do want a little bit more like smokiness. So let's go ahead and finish up the rest of the face. So to bronze, first I'm going to set just because, I don't know, I feel like a little bit tacky. So I'm going to go in with the Maybelline. This is the Superstay Full Coverage Powder Foundation. And I'm just going to like put this right here, just in case there's any like tackiness. It doesn't seem to be. It's definitely more of a matte finish with that NYX foundation in there, but you know, just in case, we don't want any splotchiness. This is the Silky Matte Bronzing Powder in the shade number 2, which is Sun Kissed. I don't know, I really like that tone. And I usually use my Jaclyn Hill Morphe. This is the JH02 brush, but like there is just, I need to clean my brushes. And that's why I'm going in with this one. This is another Moda brush. It just says Moda on it. It's probably just like a powder brush. But I like it. It's doing the job, doing the job. For blush, I'm going to go in with another Milani product. This is the Bronze Burst. This is the Color Harmony Blush Palette in Bronze Burst, number 2. I'm just not going to try and pick up too much of that highlight shade. I'm going to focus more on the blush shades. So I'm just going to like swirl right here. I love Milani. It's probably one of like my favorite drugstore companies, cosmetic lines, you know. And before I forget, I'm going to highlight my brow bone and set my brows, and I'm going to go in with the shade Winning right here. To set my brows, I'm going to go with my little Benefit Gimme Brow. This one's in the number 3. Just combing them up. Just to go over my lash band and cover it up just a little bit, I'm going in with my Hank & Henry. This is Slick With It. This is Blickety Black Longwear Liquid Eyeliner. I think I got this in a BoxyCharm if I remember correctly, and I love it. It's really, really good. Okay, so we're almost done. Let's set the face. So let's go ahead. Piece of something there. For highlight, let's go in with the Pixie. This is the Glowy Gossamer Duo. I can never say this. Glowy Gossamer Duo in Delicate Dew. I'm going to go in with this shade here and highlight. I always just take off the excess because that's like a lot. Can you see? Lower lash mascara, back in with the L'Oreal Telescopic. So I have 2 NYX products here. I have just their Suede Matte Lip Liner, and this one's in the shade Moonwalk, which is more like a brown. And then on top of that, I'm going to go in with NYX, the Laundry Push-Up Long Lasting Lipstick. This one's in the shade After Hours, which again is like a brown. So I thought like these two would go perfect together. So let's give it a go. Let's give it a whirl and see. Okay. Here we go. And here we are. This is like totally 90s vibe right now. I've never used this shade before, so I mean, that's brown. So guys, this completes today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this one. I know I did. I gotta say, I kind of like this. I'm really liking it. I really feel like this is definitely fall, even though we're pretty much in winter with the snow out there. But hey, you know, still technically fall. I really like the eyes. I just feel like I'm going to start doing more like monochromatic looks where it's pretty much just like all of like the same shade. I was really skeptical. I literally hate talking. I hate talking in these videos. Okay. I gotta say, I was a little bit skeptical of that brown lip, but ooh, man, I feel like it's complementing these eyes like so well. Kind of like all one color, like monochromatic situation. I freaking love this makeup. Even like the eyes just with like a nude lip for every day would be so nice. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you guys did enjoy today's video, and if you're new here, my name is Alicia. I would love for you to subscribe down below and join our family here on YouTube. I do post weekly and would love to have you here with us, and I think that's all I want to say. Oh, you know what? I do want to mention, look at my new ear cuff. Isn't it so pretty? I'll try and find it and link it down below. It's literally, don't tell anybody, even though you guys are all watching. It's from Claire's, and I don't care how cheap it is. I just went in there looking for like a cheap pair of like everyday hoops, and I came across this, and I love this so much. But I just wanted to like point that out because like I love it. That's why I have like my hair tucked behind my ear. But anyways, I don't want to keep you guys any longer and sit here and babble, so I'm just gonna let you go, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.